Hold on your window, hon. He's got his little head in. Make sure that they're okay, and then move them in the same direction they're going. He's going this way, right?